Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths like Ramanujan. First, embrace a playful approach to numbers. Ramanujan often saw mathematical truths intuitively, almost like a vision. Spend time exploring patterns and relationships, letting your mind wander through mathematical landscapes. Don't rush to formal proofs. Instead, cultivate a deep personal connection with the underlying concepts. This intuitive groundwork is crucial for developing a profound mathematical insight. Next, commit to mastering the fundamentals through rigorous self-study. Ramanujan built his vast knowledge by working through available texts and developing his own unique methods. Dedicate significant time, perhaps several hours daily, to independently explore mathematical concepts. Don't wait for others to guide you. Actively seek out problems and theories that pique your interest. This independent exploration solidifies your understanding and builds a robust mathematical foundation. A critical step is to meticulously document your mathematical journey. Ramanujan's notebooks were filled with thousands of theorems and formulas, many without proof. Keep a dedicated notebook for your ideas, calculations, and insights. Practice problem solving relentlessly, perhaps tackling 10 to 15 problems each day. Don't just solve existing problems. Try to create your own, pushing the boundaries of your understanding and fostering true mathematical creativity. Finally, cultivate an unyielding passion and persistence. Ramanujan faced immense challenges, but his love for numbers never wavered. Dedicate a significant portion of your waking hours, perhaps 6 to 8 hours daily, to mathematical thought. When you encounter a difficult problem, don't give up. Spend days or even weeks wrestling with it. Trust your intuition and believe in your capacity to discover new mathematical truths, just as he did.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.